Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Mr. Colin Paris, Vice President, Software Research, GE Global Research Center.
I have reduced operating frequency to 55 Hz, causing a 33% drop in vibration to a normal operating profile, but my oil production will drop by 250 barrels per day. Can I check to see if other wells can recover this drop?
Yes, that's not good, Wellington 1. Yes, please check to see if you can recover this drop in production.
I've identified well Wellington 2 as the best candidate based on production and operating conditions. Can I contact Wellington 2?
Okay, Wellington 1, please contact Wellington 2.
Well, Wellington 2, can you increase your operating frequency to 55 Hz? We are looking to recover a drop in oil production of 250 barrels per day.
This is digital twin of well Wellington 2. While there are no violations on well constraints, the facility's water disposal capacity will be exceeded if my ESP frequency is set to 55 Hz. How do you want me to proceed?
Okay, Wellington 2, let me help here. In order to do this, what we'll need to do is actually simultaneously optimize across all wells in the cluster. In that way, we'll ensure that we don't exceed the threshold for water disposal. So first, identify all the wells in the cluster, then do a multi-well optimization.
I've identified all the wells in my cluster, but cannot perform the optimization since we have not been calibrated recently. Would you like me to ask all of the wells to calibrate using recent well test data?
Okay, Wellington 2, I understand. Please ask all of the wells to recalibrate with the most recent data.
Calibration is now complete. Can I proceed with multi-well optimization?
Okay, Wellington 2, proceed with multi-well optimization.
Okay, the optimizing process is now complete. We can now make up for the production drop of 250 barrels of oil per day by changing the operating frequencies of the wells in my cluster.
Excellent. Please execute. Now, what you just saw there was the digital twins and the IntelliStream product. It's not a demo, it's not a vision, it's not a concept. This is real. What was interesting about this experience was two things. One is the fact that one of the twins, Wellington 1, is interacting with the human to deal with an adverse situation, a situation in which there's a degradation in one of the pumps. That's human and machine interaction. The second thing that occurred is once we have solved the degradation of that pump, there was a reduction in the amount of barrels being produced. So Wellington 1, one well, talked to another well, Wellington 2, machine-to-machine collaboration to figure out a way to solve that problem and restore the production to its fullest value. In the end, all of the wells participated. So we are seeing the power of the human interacting with the machine and the machines interacting with each other, not only to manage an adverse situation, but also to recover to a specific business outcome.
Predix is a platform that provides the machine learning, the advanced analytics, the AI, uses the GPUs that from NVIDIA. But it all starts at the edge. And one of the things we've done at the edge with Predix is we've created an edge OS, and that edge OS is scalable. So what it allows us to do is allows us to work across different types of hardware connected to the devices. So Predix starts with the edge, pushes the data into the cloud, but creates an ecosystem for the data coming from the edge, for the learning that comes to the cloud, to be boiled into an application, in this case IntelliStream, which is able to use and make and create an application that's meaningful for you. An application that can materialize machine learning into more than the algorithm, logistical or linear regressions or neural networks or random forest. Translates it more into that and more into, here is how I'm going to make my business and my operation more effective.
What you've seen here is the human and the machine transforming the industry. Now the machines and the machines are transforming the industry. There is no doubt this will be a profound transformation. Please don't miss it. Join us at the Solution Fair. Thank you again for your time.